Hello, hello. I just bought a rivet gun and see how to use it. Now I open the rivet gun package. There's a rivet gun inside, and there are some sample rivets. You see. The rivet have three sizes. You see. From big, middle, and small. You see. This is the rivet gun. There's a marking here. Interchange free riveter. That means the head can be used three sizes. Yeah? Size 1, size 2, size 3. Yeah? There are three sizes can be used at the same time. Yeah? Now I try to use the rivet and see how it performs. First of all, I would put the rivet in here. I put the rivet in here. Then I place my rivet gun. Okay. Now slowly I press the handle. I slowly press the handle. See? It was broken. And found that it was fixed. Fixed here already. I try one more and let you see. I put the rivet here. Okay? I put the rivet. Then I put the rivet gun on this. Now slowly I press the rivet gun and see what happens. It was broken, you see. Oh my God. I try again. Okay, it's okay. It was broken, and it was fixed properly. You see. Okay, thank you for watching.